AI websites that can make you money in 2026. Want to make money online in 2026? These 3 AI websites can help you do it fast, smart, and with almost no experience. First, Po.com. It's like ChatGPT on steroids. You can build your own AI chatbot for free, train it on any topic, and charge users for access. People are already earning by creating niche bots like travel planners, resume writers, or AI tutors. Next, OpusClip. This site turns long YouTube videos into viral shorts automatically. You can offer this as a freelance service, clip, caption, and deliver content for creators and make up to $300 per client. AI does 90% of the work. You just upload and share. And third, Stockimg.ai. It lets you create logos, book covers, posters, and illustrations in seconds. Upload your best AI designs to marketplaces like Etsy or Fiverr, and boom, passive income while you sleep. Recap and call to action. So remember, Po.com builds bots, OpusClip repurposes videos, and Stockimg.ai designs your art. 3 AI websites that can easily make you money in 2026 if you start now. MindShift AI, simplifying AI for everyday minds. Share and subscribe for more tools that help you earn smarter.